I am Coach Johnson, and I am representing Team Fossilizers, and we are from White Oak Elementary, and we are here at Discovery High School for the First LEGO League Challenge. And what does that mean? Our kids had to build a robot, yes, a robot made completely out of Legos, and they had to code this robot to do a number of missions. Also, they had to come up with an innovation project to help archaeologists kind of save time. So our kids came up with an app. You can take pictures of any type of artifact, and our app will disclose information within minutes. This saves archaeologists time in the lab. So thank you so much for being here. Go Team Fossilizers!
Team Fossilizers!
Is 61432.
Did amazing. I'm so proud of you. So let's bring it in one more time for Team Fossilizers. 1, 2, 3.
Team Fossilizers!